It's like the big wide
There you
thing.
go. Same way, dude.
Stop!
This is funny. I'm gonna cross the road.
It ain't gonna spin.
As long as your mom's got some meaty tires, she should be alright.
This probably ain't just.
Because it's a bigger truck.
I love that truck.
Oh, yeah.
It's okay, Mason, walk in the video.
That's your speed.
Dirt is his speed. Why is it coming on the car now?
I guess Bradley's only put it there. Because it's retarded. This is a hillbilly family reunion. We're gonna go get
We can hear a car before it comes. I'm just saying. I'm pretty sure I can.
Oh! There we go.
There we go. Yeah! Now, have we learned a lesson?
A girl can do it and a guy can't.
No, that's because they were doing the retarded way.
Hey, wave them by.
Well, so much for having a clean truck.
Look at these retards.
They're racing to go pick up cones.
Aren't they like the whole way out there?
Yeah, they're fucking retarded. I think they did the whole way up to like out until 6 out.